Next lesson is 4 operations. 4 operations. Now what are the 4 operations? What are the 4 operations? It is plus, that is addition, minus subtraction, multiply, then division. So these are the 4 operations we are going to learn in this lesson. See, with regard to this, with regard to addition, we are going to start with addition first. With regard to addition, now there was a problem given by a maths teacher to the students. Now what the teacher announced is, one who gives the correct answer will get a gift. So she said, I bought a cot for rupees 12,700, a bureau for rupees 9,300 and a table for rupees 2,700. So she is asking a question. Now what is the total cost of the things I have bought? So immediately all the students started trying to solve the problem. She saw Inian and Elango, they completed the sum ahead of others. See, now what did Inian did is, Inian and this is Elango. They both were only ahead of others. Now Inian, what he has written is cost of cot, cost of bureau, cost of table. Now what he has written is, then bureau and this one. So now adding all this, now he has got now 1,32,700. Now Inian, what he has done is, he has written so this was done by both Inian and Elango. But Inian, what happened is, what Elango has given answer is correct. But whereas Inian has not followed the place value. See, you can see he has not followed this place value at all. So he has not followed the place value correctly while writing the numbers. Whereas Elango, he has followed the practice of writing the numbers in place value and he has got the answer correct. So this is a way you have to do your addition. You have to write the numbers properly in their place value and start adding it. So what Inian has done was wrong. So now this is with this only you are going to do the sums in addition. Now in first addition, 64737 plus 3475 plus 22710 plus 276. Now I'll tell you now what you have to do. See, before you write this, you write the numbers, you start writing like this: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. Now you can just start writing like this. Now the first one, 64737, 7, 3, 7, 4, 6. Now next, what is the next number? 3475, 3,475. Now next, what is the next one? 22,710, 22,710. Now next, what is the 276, 276. Now you have to start adding. Now what is 7 plus y? 12. 12 plus 6? 18. Then here you can put 1. What is 7 plus 3? 10. 10 plus 1? 11. 11 plus 1? 12. 12 plus 7? 19. 1 here. 7 plus 1? 8. 8 plus 4? 12. 12 plus 7? 19. 19 plus 2? 21. Now 2 you can put 6. 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 1 here, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. So it is 91,198. So this is answer. So this is how you have to do all your addition sums. Now next one more sum with this, you can do it. There is one more sum. See, one more sum. 346, comma 64786, comma 9 and 89. Now, how will you do it? Now you start from 346. 3, 4, 6. Now what is the next number? 6. It is 64,070. So 64,786. Now what is the next number? Only 9. It is only one's place. So 9. Now what is the next one? 89. Now start adding it. Now what is 6 plus 6? 12. 12 plus 9? 21. 21 plus 9? 30. Now 3. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 8, 23. 2 here. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 7, 12. 1, 5 and 6. So it is 65,230. So this is how you have to start adding the numbers. You have to place it in a proper place value and then start adding it. Is it clear? The next one, we will go on with try these. We can go on with try these. Try these. Now in the first sum, 18436, 18436, 11705, 26470 and the last number is 39, 390. Now how will you do it? You have to write like this: 10,000, 1,000, hundreds, tens, ones. Now you start this number. You start from last 6, 3, 4, 8, 1. The next one is 11,705. So you can say 5, 0, 7, 1 and 1. Now next number 26,000, that is 26,470. Now again start 7, 4, 6 and 2. Now what is the next one? 39,390. 39,390. Now you have to add it. Now what is it? 6 plus 5 is how much? 11. 1 here. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 9, 20. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 4, 17. 17 plus 3, 22. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 6, 17. 17 plus 9, 26. 2. 1 plus 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now what is the answer? 96,001. So this is how you have to do your sum. Now one more sum I will do. One more sum. See one more sum. 74,786. 74,786. 375, 5450, 5450 and 78 and 78. Now start with this. 74, 786, 6, 8, 7, 4 and 7. Next 375, 5, 3, 7, 3. Now what is the next? 5450, 5, 4, 5, 0. Now next one is what? 7, 8. Now you have to add it. Now 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 8, 19. 1 here. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 21. 21 plus 7, 28. 2. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. Now 1. 7 plus 1, 8. So 80,689. So this is how first, when the addition sums are given like this, you have to put it in the proper place value, add it and then you get the answer. Now one more sum you will do. One more sum. 2465, 2465, 94366, 376 and 56. Now start now. How will you place this in the place value? Now 2465, 5, 6, 4, 2. Now next one, 6, 6, 3, 4 and 9. The next one, 376, 376, 6, 7, 3. Now next one, 56, 5, 5, 6. Now you have to add it. Now 5 plus 6, 11, 11 plus 6, 17, 17 plus 6, 23, 2. 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 7, 21, 21 plus 5, 26, 2. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 1. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 4, 7. This number 9. So it is 97,263. So this is how you have to do your addition sum. First what you have to do, get the numbers, write like this, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. Then place the numbers in the place value and then you start adding it. Now one more sum I'll do. Actually it is a fill in the blanks, like they have given like fill in the blanks. You have to replace the digit. You have to replace the digit. Second sum. See second one, 4985 dash 4 3 dash next 2 dash 2 7. Then the answer is 11042. Now what you have to do, here. Now they have just given a dash here. Now 2 is given. So that means 5 plus 7 is 12. So directly you can put here 0 because nothing you can add here, 12. Now you put 1 here. Now 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 2, 14. So 4 is here. Now 1 you have to put here. What is 9 plus 1? 10, 10 plus 4, 14. Now they are given 0. So what means 14 plus, I think it will be 6. 14 plus 6 means 20. So here 0. So you have to put 6 here and you have to put 2 here. Now 4 plus 2 is what? 6. 6 plus 2 is what? 8. But here 11 is given. So 11 minus 8 is how much? 11 minus 8 is 3. So you have to put 3 here. So you have to replace the digit. Just count. You count and minus this number and put the digit here. Is it clear? Now one more sum with the same model. Replacing the digit. They have given one more sum. 5 dash 7 dash 2 3 4 1 0 dash 2. Now 1 5 8 9 2. Now just check in. Now what is it? 4 plus 2 is 6. But 6, now here it is 12, 2 it is given. 2 means 12. So that means 6 is given. So 12 minus 6 is how much? 6. So you immediately put, see 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. Now 1 you have to put here. Now 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 10, 11. Now 9 is given. So 11. So 11 minus 9 is what? See 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. And 9 is given. So that means 19 it is. So 19 minus 11 means what? You have to put here 8. 19 minus 11 is 8. Then see count and see 7 plus 1 8, 11, 11 plus 8 19. Then you have to put 1 here. Now here 8 is given. Now 2 only is given. 2 plus 1 3 only. And 0 is given. That means what is the remaining number you have to write here. See 2 and given, 1 is given, dash here 0. So 8 is given. That means 8 minus 3 is what? 5. You have to put here 5. Now 5, 7, 8. 8 is given. Now here 15 is given here. Now 1 is given, 5 is given. Now what is the remaining? 15 minus 6 is how much? 9. So immediately you have to put 9 here. Is it clear? Replacing the digit means first what you see, you just count the numbers, 2 numbers, and then you minus with this and start replacing the digit. So this is how you have to do your addition sums.